Okay guys, welcome to DTTV with Sim. What I'm doing here is going to talk you through the basic navigation of some steps of Solidworks. At the top of the screen where you can see my cursor, you can see that there is the basic open and the file open buttons. So we can have a new option or a standard file option. There are the standard options available in here. You probably won't use these very often to start with, so you can forget about those at the moment. On the right hand side of the screen we've got a variety of options down the side. The most likely ones are the ones that you will use: the SolidWorks resources, the view palette, or the appearances. Now as you'll notice as I'm coming down, if I hover over any of these it actually tells me what they are. It's a very useful aspect for everyone. The other option to be aware of is that there are a series of different toolbars which are hidden underneath the SolidWorks item. This increases as you add more options and when you open files. So I've gone to File, New, and I'm looking at either a part, an assembly or a drawing. So I'm going to choose Part and click OK. This brings me onto the main screen, and as you'll notice there's a whole load of additional tools. If the tools are yellow or green, then they are 3D navigation tools, which means you are trying to do something in 3D. Normally you can only apply 3D features to a 3D form. Underneath it we've got the series of different options here, one of which is Sketch. Sketch is the most likely one you're going to use other than the Features tool, and as you can see there's a variety of options here. Again, if you're trying to do something to a 2D shape, this is where you come. So if you've got the blue options in front of you, they're the ones to choose. There's also Evaluate, Dimension Expert and Office Products. You won't use those very often throughout the process, so the main two are splitting between the 2D and the 3D here. On this side, what we've got the Property Manager or the Feature Manager tree. This will show a list of all the things that you do and all the different operations you make as you go along. That will allow you then to delete, modify and to change your options. And lastly, in the middle here we've got a series of view tools. We've got the zoom tools. As we've discussed in class, the options that are best for you to do are use the scroll wheel to scroll in and out, but you may choose to use these zoom tools. There's also the section view tool, which will allow you to half one of your objects. We'll cover that in a future tutorial. And also we have the tool here which allows you then to flick your view around, create various windows, which you're unlikely to do, but the most often used tool here is the View Normal. That allows you to look flat at the face you want to sketch and to sketch accurately. Okay, that's been a quick whistle stop tour of SolidWorks, so we can have a look at navigation.